Car dashboard cameras with GPS provide accident evidence, track routes, enhance safety, and support insurance claims with accurate location data. Today's video is about top 5 best car dashboard cameras with GPS that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gleetour Dashcam front and rear, the Gleetour G2 Dual Dashcam delivers an impressive combination of clarity, reliability, and smart features for everyday driving. Its 4K front camera paired with a 1080p rear camera captures crisp, detailed footage, while the wide-angle coverage significantly reduces blind spots, ideal for recording everything happening around your vehicle. Night performance is a standout, thanks to its f1.55 aperture and advanced HDR, WDR, and 3D DNR technologies. Even in low-light conditions, footage remains sharp and usable. The unique TS video streaming ensures every second is recorded and saved instantly, which can be crucial in the event of sudden power loss or accidents. A particularly useful feature is the memory card failure alert, preventing silent recording issues. The dual-loop storage system keeps regular and event footage separate, eliminating card-full interruptions. With built-in Wi-Fi and app control, accessing and sharing videos is quick and convenient. Add in 24-hour parking monitoring and simple installation, and the G2 proves to be a dependable, user-friendly dashcam for enhanced driving security. Now our second product is BOTSLAB touchscreen dash camera. The BOTSLAB G980H 4-channel dashcam is a powerful upgrade for drivers who want complete, all-around protection. With a 3K system and 4 cameras covering 170 degrees front, dual 120 degrees sides, and 150 degrees rear, it delivers an impressive 560 degrees field of view, virtually eliminating blind spots. The ability to switch between 4, 3, or 2 channel modes adds flexibility depending on your needs. Its night vision performance is excellent, thanks to the f1.8 aperture, infrared LEDs, and WDR technology, ensuring clear footage even in low light. The 24/7 parking mode offers multiple smart options like time-lapse, motion-triggered recording, and collision detection, making it reliable even when parked. The 3.18-inch touchscreen combined with voice control makes operation smooth and distraction-free. Built-in GPS tracks speed and routes accurately, while 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows fast video transfers to your phone. The 8-second pre-recording feature is a standout, capturing crucial moments before an impact. With a durable supercapacitor and included 128 GB card, this dashcam offers dependable, high-performance security in all conditions. Our third product is Terunsoul Wi-Fi dash camera for cars. The Terunsoul dual dashcam stands out with its true 4K front and 4K rear recording, delivering exceptional clarity from both angles. With a 170 degrees ultra-wide front lens, it captures a broad view of the road, making it ideal for busy multi-lane driving and ensuring no critical detail is missed. Night performance is impressive thanks to its super starlight night vision, enhanced by WDR and large f1.5/f1.8 apertures. Footage remains bright and detailed even in low-light conditions, which is crucial for nighttime safety and evidence. The included 128 GB card and loop recording ensure continuous use right out of the box, while the G-sensor and manual lock button protect important clips from being overwritten. Built-in GPS accurately records speed and routes, adding valuable data to your footage. With dual-band 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, transferring and managing videos via the app is fast and seamless. The 24-hour parking mode adds extra security when your car is unattended. Easy to install and backed by an 18-month warranty, this dashcam is a reliable, high-performance choice for everyday drivers. Now number 4, E-YEEGER Dual Dash Camera for cars. The E-YEEGER S60 dashcam offers a solid balance of performance and simplicity, making it a great choice for everyday drivers. With a 2.5K, 2560x1440p front camera and a 1080p rear camera, it delivers clear, detailed footage, while the ultra-wide angles ensure comprehensive road coverage with minimal blind spots. Its superior night vision stands out, thanks to the starlight sensor and 6-layer glass lens. Even in low-light conditions, recordings remain sharp and usable, ideal for nighttime driving or dim environments. The dashcam includes essential safety features like loop recording and a G-sensor that automatically locks collision footage, ensuring important moments are. The optional 24-hour parking monitor adds extra security, though it requires a hardwire kit. The 2-inch IPS display is straightforward and easy to navigate, while the adjustable 360-degree suction mount makes installation flexible and hassle-free. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, the S60 is a practical dashcam backed by a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, offering dependable protection on the road. And our last choice is VIRROW dash camera for cars. The VIRROW 4K plus 2.5K dual dashcam delivers excellent all-around driving protection with impressive clarity and reliability. The front camera records in stunning 4K, while the rear captures sharp 2.5K footage, ensuring detailed coverage from both angles. With a 170 degrees front and 165 degrees rear wide view, it significantly reduces blind spots and provides strong road awareness for cars, trucks, and larger vehicles. Night performance is highly reliable thanks to the f1.8 aperture, SC2336 sensor, 6-layer lens system, and WDR technology. Even in low-light conditions, license plates and road details remain clearly visible, making it dependable for night driving evidence. The 3.39-inch touchscreen offers smooth control, while built-in G-sensor collision detection automatically locks important footage. Loop recording with the included 64GB card ensures continuous recording without storage concerns. Parking mode with time-lapse adds 24/7 security, while motion detection protects your vehicle when parked. Easy installation and an 18-month warranty further enhance its value, making it a strong and user-friendly dashcam choice. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.